Hi everyone, welcome back to JOYROOM official channel. This is Elsa again. As we know that iPhone just come out the new models iPhone 11, and our company also prepare different styles phone case for the iPhone 11. So let's go and have a look for the phone case for new iPhone models. Okay, now I'm in our showroom, and on the left side is the tempered glass, and the right side is our phone case. As you can see, we have the phone case for iPhone and most hot sale models Easy series, and this is the new case for the iPhone 11. As you can see, or is our phone case different style, right? As you may see that we have one special phone case. You see this car, really cute, right? Guess what is this? Oh, maybe somebody have guessed. This is what I'm gonna to introduce the new case. It is a new phone case for the Airpods. Okay, let's now have a detailed look and detailed introduce about this case. Okay, let's now have a detailed introduce about this Airpods case. As we can see, we have 4 colors for this case: one transparent white, one green, one black, and one red. As we can see, the design, it is a cool car design, very cute and mini style. It is vivid and full of personality. I bet if you take this out with your friends may ask where you buy this from. And the second, it have DIY fun. As you can see, we have 4 ties for the car design, right? So we have the spared 4 pieces tie also in this top. You can see 4 pieces car tie. You can replace the car with the red color. Just put it down and then replace it as you like. We prepare the black and the red color for you. You also can purchase some stickers to stick on the place to modify yourself to be more personalities. The last one, it is this material. It is made by TPU materials. It is very transparent and clean, and the material is very environmental. Okay, let me show you how we use the case. This is the T03S model, which is also very hot sale now, and it is the same size to the Airpods, and this is the case for Airpods. We just put it in, and then you can see it is 100% perfect fit the Airpods. And how we take it off, we just open it, and you can see you see the tie here and pushed here, and then you can take this out. Also here has an hole so you can put an hand rope inside there so you can hang on your bags. It's also very convenient to use. Okay, that is all the introduce for this JR-BP589 models Cool Car series phone case for the Airpods 1 and 2. If you have already ordered the T03S or the mini size model earphones from our company, please do order this phone case for your earphones. They are very a good partner. Yes, I can't wait to order one piece for my earphones too. So this is all the introduce today, and please feel free to subscribe our YouTube channel JOYROOM, JOYROOM, to be our friends, and see you next time. Bye bye.